Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will interview the person that inspired by me when I start writing the book. The person is Mr. Agus Sutrisno. Okay. Good afternoon, Mr.
Good afternoon.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm very well today.
Okay. I'm very well. In this occasion, for that, thank you for taking your time by interview by me. Okay. I have read your book and I have some passion for you. The book is very fantastic. For the first one, let's start our question. How long does it take for you when you write the book?
I write this book during a year, 1 year.
1 year. Okay, it's very so long to write this book. Okay, the next question. What inspired you to write the book?
My inspiration is always about my achievement. My achievement is third winner in national poems competition at Inspirata in 2020.
It's, your inspiration is your achievement.
Yes.
Thank you. For the third question, there is some challenge or obstacle when you write the book.
Yes, of course. There are many challenges in my writing process. For example, how to choose each chapter and how to arrange each ideas so the readers can understand what my ideas in my book.
It's very difficult for you. Right? The next question is, how do you promote the book? Is there any special ways?
My strategy is I post my writing achievements and I post this book on my social media, specifically on Instagram, Facebook.
So you promote with your post, your book in social media.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. For the next question, what was your first reaction when you saw your book published?
I'm very happy because I saw this book published. I'm very happy. I speechless.
I feel it so. Okay, the next question. So far, what's most impressive person you have received from your reader?
Important impressions of my readers. Today, I have got a feedback from a reader. He said that my romance writing can make his mind.
Your romance genre can make you smile.
Yes.
It's very fantastic. Okay. The next question. If you could collaborate with any other writer on your next project, who should you choose?
I will choose my friend. He is Amar. Yes, because he has English education background.
I know
Yes,
Amar.
yes, Kak Amar.
Okay. The next question. If you were not a writer, what profession would you choose?
I will choose mail sales promotion.
You want to be a sales.
Yes.
Next question. For now, are there any other writing project you are working on?
Today I have 2 book drafts. Yes. First, it is English education book, specifically about English idioms, specifically English vocabulary idioms. And the second is a book about publishing, about how to write and how to avoid mistakes in publishing process.
Like a guide
Yes. Okay.
Okay. The last question. What is one thing you are most grateful for in your journey of life?
I'm very grateful because today I become a part of Kertas Untuk Officer. I am an official manager of Kertas Untuk Officer for Musirawas Indonesia.
Okay, I think that's all my question for you. Yeah, I get some many information for you, and I hope you are to be a successful person in Indonesia. Okay, thank you so much for interview for you. Terus I see. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Entah apa